Hello everyone. Construction in practical geometry is very easy, interesting and scoring part of mathematics. Some students found it as difficult as they missed basic of it. Many students of higher classes also face difficulties in construction due to learning gap. Now, no need to worry at all. I am here to help you all. This video is especially made for all mathematics lovers who want to do best in construction part. I am here to bridge your learning gap. So without delay, let's come to the point. Welcome viewers. In this session, we are going to learn the construction of angle without using protractor. Yes, without using protractor. Aren't you surprised? Can we draw an angle without using protractor? Yes, we can really do it with only using ruler and compass. Let me demonstrate you. So for this purpose we need a ruler, a compass and a pencil. Now we are going to construct 60-degree angle. Firstly, we will put pencil inside the pencil holder of the compass. Pencil should be sharp like the pointer of this compass. Now with help of ruler we will draw a line segment. Let it be A, B. Now put the pointer of this compass on the point A and make an arc like this intersecting the line segment or ray AB. Now put the pointer of this compass in this intersecting point of the previous arc and mark here. Now this arc intersect the previous arc at point. We can name it anything. Now we will join this intersecting point and the A and we produce it. Now this angle is 60 degree. If you are getting confusion, let me show you whether it is 60 degree or not. Look here, it is exactly 60 degree. So to draw an 60 degree angle, firstly we have drawn the ray or line segment AB. Then putting the pointer of this compass on the point A, we have made an arc, and without changing the length of this arc, we have put the pointer of this compass on the intersecting this point of the previous ray and the arc and drawn in another arc. This arc caught the previous arc at this point, and finally we join these 2 points and produce it. And let it say C. Now our angle CAB is 60 degree. Similarly, we can draw angle of any measure like 120 degree, 90 degree, 150 degree, 45, 135, 30 degree and so on. I will show you all this angle. I will make all this angle. Now we will make 120 degree angle. The procedure is same. Let us draw a ray or a line segment. Let we name it as O. The same procedure, put the pointer here. The arc intersect O. Let it be say M. Without changing the length of the compass and the pencil, without changing the length of arc, let me cut. This first cut is 60 degree. We have done in the previous case. Now put the pointer of this compass in this intersecting point and then again cut it. Cut the previous arc. Now join these 2 points. This is our 120 degree angle. Let me check. Look here. The lines are coinciding here. So this is 120 degree angle. So we have learned how to draw 120 degree also. The procedure is same like the previous one. Only additional work we have done is we have just make another arc cutting here and we join these 2 points. Similarly, we can draw 90 degree angle also. So let us draw 90 degree angle. The procedure is same. First cut 60 degree, second cut 120 degree and make another arc, this arc like this. Now put the pointer here at 120 degree and mark another arc. And join this line. This is 90 degree. So let me check whether it is 90 degree or not. Look here. This is 90 degree. Aren't it surprising? Now we are going to draw 150 degree angle. The procedure is same procedure. First cut 60 degree, second cut 120 degree. For that purpose, we have to produce this line like this. First cut 60 degree, second cut 120 degree. Oh, the space is not sufficient here. I will show it here. Let me draw a line segment here. Let this point be, say, P. I'll make an arc like this. This is 180 degree. Now first cut 60, second cut 120 degree. Again put the compass here, and from here also draw another arc. Now join these points. So angle of this measure of this angle is 150 degree. First cut 60, second cut 120 degree. From this 120 degree we make an arc. From this point is our 180 degree. From this point also we make another arc, and this from this intersecting point we have drawn a line. This is 150 degree. Let us check. This is 150 degree. 45 degree. To draw 45 degree, first of all we'll draw a 90 degree angle. So how to draw 90 degree angle? The process is simple. First we will make arc like this. First cut 60 degree, second cut 120 degree, and this is our 90 degree. So join this as dot, making dots intersecting this arc. Now in the previous video we have learned to draw the angle bisector. So 45 degree is the half of 90 degree. That's why if we draw angle bisector of 90 degree, we can easily get angle of 45 degree. So let us draw the angle bisector. So to draw angle bisector, we will draw an arc from here and another arc from here. One from this 0, another from this. This is 0 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree. So to make the bisector, we will put on 0, make an arc, and then put on 90 degree, and again we will make the arc. Then from this intersecting arc we will get the 45 degree angle. This angle, let me name this is O, A, this is B. Angle AOB equals to 45 degree. Let me check. It is 40 and 45 degree. Similarly, we can draw 135 degree angle also. To draw 135 degree angle, first of all, we have to draw angle of 120 degree and 150 degree. So in between 120 degree and 150 degree, the angle 135 degree lies. Again, to draw angle 30 degree, we will make the angle bisector of 60 degree. So in similar manner, we can draw any angle of multiple of 30 and divisor of 30. So that's all for this session. Thank you.